Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have administrative privileges and a backup, because you will remove a lock file. Next, close the file manager and any programs that might hold the directory. This reduces race conditions. Open a terminal and run lsof or fuser against the folder to list PIDs using it. Once you see processes, use sudo kill -15 on the PIDs to gracefully stop them. If they ignore that, escalate to kill -9, but only after waiting a few seconds. With processes stopped, check for a stale lock file in the application folder or system lock locations. Run sudo lsla to reveal hidden lock names and confirm timestamps. Stale locks usually have old modification times. If no process holds the file, remove the lock with sudo rm path /to /file. Lock or adjust permissions with sudo chown and chmod, then restart the file manager process. If the app uses a service, run sudo systemctl, restart the service to reinitialize locks cleanly, and avoid. After removing the lock, make sure files are accessible and ownership is correct by running lsl or stat on the directory. Once done, open the file manager and test typical operations to confirm the lock is gone. If the lock file cannot be removed because the file system is busy, reboot into safe mode, or use a live USB to remove it without running services. If problems persist, avoid force-deleting database locks. Instead, reboot normally, and let the service clear its own locks to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.